2 a.m. You should be sleeping. But your brain has other plans. What if I mess up tomorrow? What if they think I'm stupid? Sound familiar? That's an anxiety loop. Let's break it right now. Anxiety loops don't just hit at night, they follow you everywhere. At work, your brain replays that awkward conversation. At dinner, you're rehearsing tomorrow's meeting for the 15th time. The worst part? The more you try to stop, the more your brain obsesses. It's like trying not to think about a pink elephant. Impossible. Here's what's really happening. Your brain has an ancient alarm system built for survival. Back then, a rustling bush meant danger. Today, your boss's email triggers the same stress as a saber-toothed tiger. Your brain can't tell the difference between real and imagined threats, so it keeps you in constant alert mode, inventing endless what-ifs that almost never happen. First step, ground yourself in reality. Try the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 technique. 5 things. You see your phone, a wall, your hands. 4 things. You feel your chair, your shirt. 3 things. You hear traffic, your breath. 2 things. You smell coffee, fresh air. 1 thing. You taste gum, coffee, or just your mouth. This pulls your mind out of the loop and back into the present. Next, interrupt the loop physically. Snap method. Wear a rubber band. When you catch yourself spiraling, snap it and say stop. Reset breath. Inhale for 4, hold for 4, exhale for 6. 10-10-10 rule. Will this matter in 10 minutes, 10 months, 10 years? These tricks jolt your brain out of the spiral and remind you most worries are temporary. With practice, you'll catch anxiety loops early. You'll sleep better, focus sharper, and stop wasting energy on imaginary problems. Remember, anxiety loops are just a habit. And habits can be changed. Your turn. What thought keeps you stuck in a loop? Drop it in the comments. Sometimes just writing it down breaks its power. For more brain hacks that actually work, subscribe. Next up, why we procrastinate even when we know what to do.